going to show you guys how you can pair and connect a pair of Skullycandy Hesh ANC headphones directly to your Sony TV via Bluetooth. Okay, so first thing you got to do is go to the settings on your Samsung TV. So with this model here, let me click on the home button, and then I'm just going to move all the way to the left, and you see the three horizontal lines right there. Now you see the gear icon, the settings icon, settings right there. Click on OK. Then we're going to go down one to sound, and now we're going to move to the right. And now you see a sound output, so the audio is currently coming out of my TV speaker. We want it to come out of these headphones. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on sound output right there. We're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. And now you want to wait till it finds the Hesh ANC, okay? So we have to go and put these in pairing mode. It's searching for devices in pairing mode. So on these headphones here, you have a power button here. So let me press and hold this power button. It's on. So the power is on now. I should get a blue and red blinking rapidly to indicate it's in pairing mode, but it's not in pairing mode. I think it's connected to one of my other devices. Let me factory reset these really fast. The power button and volume down. Let me press and hold for a few seconds so it blinks twice purple right there. Now it says pairing. So when you turn it on, if it's not connected to a different device, you should get a red and blue blinking light indicating it's in pairing mode. So now we'll look on the TV and we'll see if it found it. Let's see. Where's the Hesh ANC? Okay, it's not here. It's not showing up. It's still in pairing mode though. Let me just go to refresh here. And then let's see if it finds it. Hesh ANC, what we're looking for. Oh, there it is on the bottom. Hesh ANC needs pairing. I'm going to click on OK on the remote. Pair and connect. Click on it again. And it just said pairing successful. She just said it on the headphones. And we are connected here. And there we go. Okay, so now it says connected, and now I can go ahead and use these headphones to watch YouTube or Netflix or whatnot. All right, good luck, guys.